I didn't see that at all. I just flew by it. Gotta be up a freaking hill, man. Dang it, guys. We once again reached one of those places where I can make almost no progress because it's just so freaking beautiful. I just finished my morning routine of packing everything up, getting ready to head out. Today we're headed toward the area of Yoju. I think it was called Yoju. It's not too far away. We've got about a 2-hour-ish ride. Pretty short, but like always, I'm sure we'll stop some places and explore a little bit. It looks cloudy again, but hopefully there's not going to be any rain. I found a better method for packing my bag. I can't believe I didn't realize this before. This bag, stuffed inside this bag before, but they have these little loops on them, these little handles, so they can go in the strap and free up way more space in the bag. Now I have room to put food and things in there, thankfully. Actually, these bags are the ones that, like, this was my duffel bag and this is my backpack that I came on the planes with. So amazing. If you guys are interested in these, I mean, here's the brand. You can see the backpack and the duffel bag. Always do some stretches and try to rotate the joints and things before I get going in the morning. Feels a lot better, a lot better. Today we're finally staying on path for the whole day, headed south. The goal is to find some type of accommodation in or near a small city that goes by the name of Yoju. This is the Yangpyeong Art Museum. This is not that far from where I was staying. I've only been riding for a few minutes. I guess this is another one you could check out if you don't want to go to the Arboretum and you're staying in this area. The art museum might be cool. We're not going to do it today, though I do know that there's a certification center around here somewhere. I need to figure out where it is. If I already passed it, I need to head back. The map is actually saying I did pass it. So let's head back. Let's see how I missed this thing. I really trust the map. It's been right on everything. Ah, I see it up there. I didn't see that at all. I just flew by it. I'm not sure how I missed it. It's gotta be up a freaking hill, man. Probably missed it because I was flying down this hill, not paying attention to anything on the side, looking in front to make sure I don't hit anybody. Dun, da, 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 da. We found it. Look at that guy. He is definitely off path. From nothing I've seen look like that. Look, this one's kind of telling about the Four Rivers. There's the Four Rivers path, and this is just the current section we're on, I believe. Showing lots of different places you can stop and check out. Ooh, what's this one? I think I missed that. Definitely been through tunnels. Oh yeah, I went through all of those. All right, we got it. Looks like we may hit a couple more today. They're all pretty close. At that last certification center back there, they had a machine to inflate the tires. So I went ahead and took advantage of that. They were not that deflated. I guess because this is a hybrid bike, the tires are thicker. They still leak air, but not as quickly as a road bike. But I was setting up to fill them up, and this Korean couple rode up. I guess he was concerned that I didn't know how to do it, even though I feel like I knew how to do it, but still he helped me out and helped check it and fill them up. I appreciated that. But then he was looking at the bike and he was like, oh, it weighs so much. He's like, where are you going? And I said, Busan. And he said, oh, good luck. He's like, fighting. They didn't seem to like how heavy the bike was, which I understand. But they said they're also going to Busan. They were just on road bikes though, and they had like nothing on the bikes, nothing on their person. Someone in the comments who's done this or who's into cycling is gonna have to let me know, like, how do you do that? I guess you just bring your phone and wallet and wash the clothes you're wearing every night, probably is my guess, and check into hotels and don't carry any food on you or just little bits of food, eat where you can. For me, it's just not possible because I'm a YouTuber. I have to have my cameras, my laptop to move footage, and I had to bring other things because I'm going to Japan after this and not doing a cycling trip. So I had to have normal travel stuff as well. But it's just interesting to see people cycling all the way from Seoul to Busan with like nothing on them. It'd definitely be easier. A very beautiful spot with quite a view. I guess there's gonna be a lot of views of the river. I probably shouldn't stop every time. Dang it, it, guys. We once again reached one of those places where I can make almost no progress because it's just so freaking beautiful. I keep stopping every 2 seconds. Like literally, I just ride a tiny bit, stop, ride a tiny bit, stop. This is one of the reasons I really wanted to do this alone. And I've had some people mention, oh, maybe you'll find people that'll want to ride with you and you won't have to do it alone. I always said no, because I'm gonna stop a lot. Not because I have to, but because I want to film and take it in. I gave myself so long to do this trip for the reason that I know I'm gonna be stopping all the time. Hi, Koyangi. So cute. 2 more white ones suddenly appeared. We've got the calico and the 2 white cats. Well, now one's gone. Only one left. This path here through these trees is very long. I've been on it for quite a while. It's beautiful. I wish I could have been here before the leaves fell. So many trees haven't even changed color, but then there's all these trees that already have the leaves falling. Wow, guys, this one is beautiful. So peaceful out here. Everybody who gets on this bridge, they'll go, wow. I'm back in another one of these paths with the trees. Not that I'm complaining, but they're never ending today. Oh man, guys, I've been on this hill for a long time. I think the top is right up there. I rode it for a little while, but then it just kept getting steeper. I've noticed that anything above about a 8 to 10% grade, I can't do it. Like the bike won't move. I'm sure if I didn't have so much stuff on the back, I could probably do it, but it's just so heavy. Even pushing it is like ridiculously heavy. I think that's the top though. This has been a really long. I've been walking on this hill for like 20 minutes. Made it to the top. That was rough. Everybody's dying on both sides of this thing. So that must mean it's an incline on the other side too. So what comes up must go down. Let's fly. We just went straight up and then all the way back down. Really wish there would have been a tunnel on that one. Definitely missing those tunnels from yesterday. Also, look at this. I think it's just a real phone booth. Yeah. Yeah, so after the big hill, there's a phone booth here. It's not related. It's not real. It's a trap. It's a trick. It's a joke. They're trying to get you guys. I keep on hearing like thundery, windy sounds in the sky. I don't know if it's planes. I don't see any planes. I'm not sure what it is. I don't like it though. It's really dark and chilly today. Definitely feels like it could downpour, even though the weather says it's not supposed to. Good thing we're not going too far. We need to get to our location, look into hotels. I was thinking about camping, but I'll check the weather and then decide. There it is, the next certification center. And on this side, whoa, it's another dam. This one's beautiful. Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도. Well, I got the stamp, but I got it upside down. Oh well, it's okay. It looks like there's another one pretty close by. Yoju. Let's see. So many of the other cyclists are so nice, guys. The ones who helped me with my air earlier, almost all the certification centers, there's always someone who's like, you want me to take a picture for you? And they are always asking me like, where am I going? What am I doing? And like, where am I coming from? I don't know, it's just really nice. Once you get this far out, it feels like everybody's headed toward Busan, or most everybody. So it's like kind of, we're all in it together. That's pretty cool. This is about to be one of the longest bridges we've gone across. This is cool. And rain is coming. The faster we get somewhere that's not the middle of nowhere, the better. Dude, I just went by a snake slithering across the road.